Upstate New York is well known for its serious winters. All the snow doesn't grind things to a halt for months, though. For decades, salt application on roads and sidewalks has been a powerful solution for helping people and their vehicles get around more safely. There is growing concern, though, that this salt may be increasing the salinity of our freshwater systems and potentially causing harm to the many organisms that call these systems home. Students in Cornell's Soil and Water Lab are doing research to better understand the environmental impacts of road salt. Undergraduate Shane DiGaetano has led a project tracking how much salt is coming out of stormwater outfalls into nearby Cascadilla Creek. Much of the salt on the roads and sidewalks around campus eventually makes its way into the storm sewer system, which empties through these outfalls. Shane, with assistance from fellow undergraduates Sarah Nadeau and Aaron McCarskey, has been taking water samples from the outfalls to analyze for salt concentrations. He has also been using cameras to track how much water is coming out of the outfalls so that we can estimate the total amount of salt that is entering the creek. Data from 2014 shows that the water from the outfalls had salinity levels around 25 grams per liter at the peak, which is similar to that found in the ocean.
During the winter, when there's a lot of road salt application, the runoff obviously has a much higher concentration of fluoride. And as we enter into spring and go into the summer and autumn, the seasonal transition tends to flush out all the remaining salt on campus. I shouldn't say all the remaining salt because it never actually reaches like a zero concentration. The baseline actually hangs out around 0.7 grams per liter, which is pretty high. Clearly, there's a lot of salt remaining in the system, and it's going to be another part of the project is going to be determining how much stays in the soil and how it's getting flushed out into streams and lakes after road salt application is ceased.
Other research projects in our lab are tracking salt concentrations in the local creeks, as well as studying how soil microbial function might be affected by road salt. Check back to see what we find out.